Hey, how's it going, everyone? So, quick video here. The other day, I actually had to use my Dodge Ram here to jumpstart somebody, and I knew had it, but I didn't think it was getting this bad. When I went to go jumpstart, I realized I had corrosion all over the battery. Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean it. A lot of people don't realize how to clean it, and it's super simple. It used to be the old thing was taking baking soda and stuff and mixing it and pouring it out. You don't have to do any of that. It's all malarkey. There's no reason to do it. But why do battery posts get corrosion? Not all of them get it, right? So why do some get it? Well, I'll explain that too. But let me show you real quick what I got going on here. So here's my Dodge. You can see the paint shot on this thing, but it is what it is. I don't care. So there, you see the one post, the positive post, it's got a ton of corrosion on it, whereas the negative has none. Why is that? How come this one has corrosion, but this one doesn't? Well, think about it for a second. Where the post actually comes through the battery, it has to be sealed to the case somehow. Well, guess what? On that side, it's actually not sealed correctly. So it's leaching out some of the battery acid. That's what's creating that. So this is all I'm going to use to clean it. What's this? That's hot water. That's boiling hot water. It's right out of the tea kettle. So I don't drink coffee, I drink tea. So yep, I have tea. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it, but it is boiling hot. So basically you just take it and pour it over the terminal, slowly. That's it, just keep going. No harm, no foul, you're not going to hurt nothing. And the old times where you used to take baking soda or whatever it was and pour it over it, I've actually heard of people killing the batteries in the process because the baking soda actually got into the battery because it neutralizes the acid. Oh, there you go. It's clean. But if you look, that actual terminal is starting to rot away. See it? It's deteriorated. So if I wanted to go nuts, I could take it apart. It's actually hot to the touch now. It's boiling hot. If I wanted to, I could take it apart, I could clean it or whatever. I can actually take a wire brush on it now and I can clean the outside. But at least now, if I clean it, oh yeah, that's my storage, my funnel storage in case you notice that. But now if I take a wire brush and I clean the outside of it, at least I won't get that dust of that corrosion all over the place. Now when you're done doing that, there's a couple different things you can do. You could take some grease put on it, some Vaseline put on it. Honestly, put anything on it. I'm going to leave it just like that, and it'll be fine. I'm not that concerned about it. I know people, sometimes they just get so bent out of shape, and it's like, oh, I got to do this. There's no reason for it. There really isn't. Like I said, if you want to put grease on it, go right ahead. You can take disc brake quiet. If you have a spray can of disc brake quiet, spray that on there. Take paint, spray paint on it if it makes you feel any better. It's not going to stop it. That's the problem, because the corrosion starts from the inside out, not the outside in. Kind of like rust. Rust starts from the inside out. That's why, you can fix a rust patch and guess what? It comes back because it's on the inside and it comes out. So, anyway, just something to think about. But yeah, like I said, my own truck, I'm going to leave it just like that. That's fine. I like to get the corrosion off of it because what happens is that corrosion does eat into the terminal. As you saw, the terminal started to deteriorate a little bit. So, and over time, it will deteriorate it enough to where it'll become a problem. So if I just keep on top of that, I clean that off every once in a while, it'll be fine. I got nothing to worry about. So there's really no reason to even take it apart and clean it. I can if I wanted to. If that thing was just like an absolute mound, like a big old anthill's worth of corrosion, then I might do it. I'm not going to bother. No reason to. So anyway, just something I'd show you. Figured maybe get something out of that. Something quick and easy. So, all right. Hopefully you got something out of that. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.